Happy birthday, Jasmine. We wish you the best birthday of all times. From Dan and Minnie's Journey. Take care. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Birthday greetings. Happy birthday, Jasmine. Hope you have a great birthday and may God bless you always.
Hello everyone, happy birthday Jasmine. Hope you have a great day. Love you. Bye.
Hello baby Jasmine. Ayan. So, first of all, I want to greet you a happiest birthday. So, today is your special day. So, enjoy ka lang. So, enjoy with your friends or cousins. Ayan. So, since birthday mo, so, greet kita ng, wish kita ng more blessings to come. Ayan. Sana magpakalusog ka. Makalakas ka. Ayan. Mama Des and your Papa Jason is nasa iyong tabi lang, nag-guide sa'yo. So, yun. God always guide you and enjoy your day. Ayan. Pakalakas ka kasi andyan yung brother mo. Malaki na si Baby JJ. So, ayan. So, marunong na yan makipaglaro. So, mas malakas ka na. Ayan. Ma-enjoy nyo na pagiging ma-enjoy nyo na yung magkalaro kayong dalawa. So, ayan. So, hoping na gumaling ka na sooner. So, by God's grace, ayan. So, happiest birthday. Enjoy. Love, Tita Silcia. Bye-bye.
Hello, Jess! So, ayun, birthday na ni Jasmine. O, diba, ang bilis ng panahon. So, birthday na ngayon ni Jasmine. At sa halip na kanyang mga pinagdaanan na pagsubok sa kanyang health, ay naging okay na siya at nakarecover. At sana ay patuloy pa siyang gumaling sa stress. So, yun ang talaga ang wish ko kay Jasmine. Yung maging healthy, lumaki siya na maging healthy bata. At mapagpatuloy niya ang kanyang pag-aaral, diba? So, happy birthday, Jasmine! Enjoy your cake, your Jollibee. So, alam ko, binilihan ka ng mama at papa mo ng cake at Jollibee, diba? So, life is a blessing. So, happy birthday ulit, Jasmine! Magpakasaya ka ngayon sa araw mo. Celebrate ng kapatid mo at ng mga friends mo. Diba? Happy birthday. At salamat sis Des sa pa-invite sa akin para mag-greet kay Jasmine. So God bless you more guys. Sana maraming blessings na dumating sa inyo, kapalit ng mga pagsubok na naranasan niyo guys. So, kapit lang at panalangin kay Lord. So, ayun lang at happy birthday ulit kay Jasmine.
Jasmine, we wanted to wish you a very, very happy birthday. It has been such a blessing to have you here and to have another year. You know, it was so scary. We were praying for you every day. We still are praying for you, Jasmine. We are so happy that you are here. We love you to death. And here's Joy wishing you a happy birthday. Yep. Have many, many blessings. Enjoy your day. And we and Kuamel wanted to say happy birthday to you, Jasmine. We love you. We love you, Des. Have a very, very happy birthday and many, many blessings.
Hello guys and hello everyone. I want to greet my daughter Jasmine Lane a happy birthday anak. I'm so grateful and I'm so very blessed always, especially on this day because it's your special day and it's your birthday. I'm so proud of you for being a strong kid despite of what happened for the last few months. I'm so happy, Nak, and Mama is always here for you. I love you so much. I just want also to take myself video greetings for you. My heart felt so much joy and happiness. At the same time, feel blessed. You are now 5 years old. I know there's a lot of trials that will come soon, and I'm always here, anak. Mama is always here for you. Mama is always here no matter what happened. I'm always guide you. I'm always love you, and also your papa and baby Gabriel is always here for you. We love you so much, anak. Thank you for being a strong girl. Thank you for being a good daughter. Thank you, anak, dahil lumaban ka. Thank you dahil nakikita ko at naramdaman ko kung gaano mo gusto na maging okay kahit na ang hirap na pinagdaanan natin dati. So, gusto kong lumaki ka na gumaling. Gusto ko maging healthy ka. Gusto ko na makapag-aral ka. Makalakad ka. And yun. Always lang tayo na mag-pray kay God. And ayun. And especially, thanks kay God sa lahat ng mga blessings, sa lahat ng biyaya na bigay niya sa atin, sa lahat ng guidance niya. Thank you kay God, nak-nak, kahit hindi ka man makapagsalita, even though you are not, you are you don't know how to talk, but I'm always telling you that in your mind, and just always pray to God, okay? Kahit di natin siya nakikita, di natin siya as in talagang basta mafe-feel natin siya, kilala natin siya. So, and of course, I also want to say thank you for the love and support to people who are behind us in every situation, in every trials that we faced before until now. I'm also thankful. I just want you to say thank you for everyone, for everybody. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting Jasmine. You know who you are, guys. I'm so happy and I'm so blessed. Thank you so much, guys. And ayun, ayoko talagang umiyak. So kaya ayun, thank you and happy birthday, anak. I love you. I love you, Jasmine. I hoping soon you will see this message. Makikita mo lang to kasi nakasave lang to, naka-upload lang to sa YT ni Mama. So, kaya ako nagbigay din ng message kasi pagdating ng araw na may ka na, makakaintindi ka na, anak, makikita mo to, marinig mo to, makita mo yung video na ni Mama. So, yun, mahal na mahal kita, anak. Mahal na mahal kita, Jasmine. I love you so much, anak. Ayoko umiyak, pero naiyak na talaga ako. Pinipigilan ko lang. Ayan. Tinalulo. So, ayan. Thank you, guys. And happy birthday, anak. Love you. Love you, anak. Ikikiss ko pala siya. Love you. Oh, yan. Bye. Thank you, guys.